Got in the shop today. We did finish all the springs, or I finished all the springs a week ago or so. This is the full Gretty exhaust. Very, very nice. It's pretty much a full straight pipe with the blocks down pipe, all one piece. But today, doing the sway bar link, or sorry, the sway bar. All one comes out pretty easy. You have the 12mm nut on both sides here for the sway bar links, and then you have two 12s on the top and bottom for the brackets. And there's one on these on both sides, sway bar link. Well, everything is looking really good underneath here. The comparison, it's pretty identical. I mean, I'm sure, you know, there's a difference that I can't see by the eye, but this is the, I believe it's, what is it, 28mm? I can't remember the exact number, but this is Whiteline. And let me see here. It doesn't say on here, but they give me the bushings. High performance, lubricant, all the stickers. So let's get it in here. Okay, the new one is in, as you can see. I put the grease in on the bushings, of course, but it is in. Fits good, looks good. Now we'll see if I notice any differences. Oh, and I was way off. This is actually a 22mm. I looked it up real quick, I just forgot. But this design, from what I've seen online, people take the control arms off. I actually didn't even do that. I just forced it in. But it actually went in just fine. Didn't have to do anything crazy. You know, the only thing I did was, like I said, unbolt the sway bar bushings on both sides. Took the links out. That's how I took the stock one out. And then putting the new one in, I actually forced it in on this side. So I just went in at an angle here. Brought it over the exhaust. I didn't even loosen the exhaust or anything, and just brought it over here. And the part that caught me was actually right here, so I did do it like I used my mallet and hammered right here, which looks like it did take some paint off there, which is not a big deal, but I got it through. It took me maybe like less than 10 minutes to do this, but it looks good. Hopefully it adds a little bit of a functionality in the back end here, but let me know what your thoughts are. I will say for the front spring install, it was actually kind of a pain in the ass. It wasn't that bad. I mean, I did the front struts, took them out all the way, and swapped out the springs in about 2 hours, I would say. Less than that actually, probably like an hour and a half, and that was both sides. The rears, so easy. Really, all I did was take off the lower control arm bolt right here on this side. Lowered the control arm, pulled the spring out, swapped it, done deal. I mean, I swapped, of course, that bushing up top and down below. But that was it. That was it. And I have some different lug nuts coming. They should be here today. Nothing crazy, just some black ones. This wheel I actually did hit a pothole in. I think, let me see here. Oh, I can't even pick it up. I believe it was right here though. But there's a little bit of a flat spot here, you can kind of see. But I have different tires as well because for some reason these have some really good edge wear on them. I think it's actually a common problem with these cars. They just kind of accrue that. But I have some 255/30 20s. 2 of them are here, 2 of them are not. Nothing crazy. Just another regular all-season tire like these are. They have hand cooks on right now. But yeah, we are moving along. So we will see how this changes the handling. I'm gonna probably take it for a couple of rips here and on the back roads that we have around our store and see if I feel anything different, because I've already planted this car a few times pretty hard on some corners, and you know, I feel things a little bit loose here and there. I'm still waiting on my rear torque mount. I have the hard race one coming, but that's 30 to 60 days out. I ordered it probably a month ago, so hopefully here pretty soon I should have it. And once I get that on, it's gonna add a lot more, you know, holding it down in the front for the torque, which is definitely very needed for this car, because you definitely get a lot of, you know, wheel hop and all that good stuff. So hopefully that's gonna help me there. But we'll see how the turns go here. If you have any questions about that Whiteline sway bar for the rear, the installation process and everything, just shoot some comments down below. I have a couple more things still coming, so I'll try to like film some of that while I'm doing it here at work. So took it for a spin and also washed it, but I definitely feel an improvement. It definitely feels a little bit more planted in the rear, and I'm super pumped. I'm ready for the new tires as well, because I think it's also going to add to some grip. But I just love this car, man. It is absolutely amazing. It really is absolutely amazing. Honda did a phenomenal job with this car. That's my friend's. He's been working on things left and right on it too, because there was a lot of problems off the bat when he got his, and he's just doing one thing at a time. So we'll see. He got the rear springs on as well. He's doing the same ones, the Megan ones. He also got the flush spacer kit as well. The spoiler he's running is actually my old one that was on my car. Just a black one, but it's that one that sticks on and goes over the spoiler really nice. I just gave it to him because I got the carbon fiber one. And he has aftermarket taillights as well. He's working on doing the facelift kit as well. And his roof is wrapped gloss black. Mine was actually wrapped carbon fiber. I took it off because I hated the way it looked. It was also a matte carbon fiber, and I'm not a fan of that. He has some aftermarket covers for the side mirrors as well, but these aren't real carbon, they're fake. There's a few other things. It's got a HKS blow-off valve on it already. It has an InGen front mount. So his has some bolt-ons, but his has also been torn apart pretty good, you know, inside and out by someone else, and multiple people actually. So he's just trying to clean it back up, get it close to stock again, and then start doing his own stuff to it, his own touches. But as for mine, I'm just waiting to get my transmission work done, and then we're gonna be set. We are going to be set. I love this car. It just looks so good. But yeah, guys,